What is up, people? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Gemini's tax reporting tool. Let's get straight into the video. It's going to be a quick one. First up, to access the reporting tool, all you got to do is to log into your Gemini account, and then you need to navigate to the tax reporting page. Just click on taxes or tax reporting, and that's going to help you to access the tax reporting tool. Now, for generating tax reports, what you want to do is to select the tax year. So just choose the tax year for which you want to generate a report. You can also choose the type of report that you want to generate, such as a capital gains report or a form 1099. Now, you could also just click generate report to create the tax report. Now, for understanding the tax report, there's a couple of things there. The first is a capital gains report. So the report will show your capital gains and losses for the selected tax year. The form 1099, the report will show your form 1099 information, including your cryptocurrency income. Now, for transaction details, the report is going to include detailed information about your transactions, including dates, amounts, and types. Now, to export the tax report, you can export to CSV. So that's going to be easy for tax softwares to use. And you can also export to PDFs. So export the tax report to a PDF file, and that will make it easy for printing and record keeping. Now, for integrating with tax softwares, there is TurboTax. So Gemini's tax reporting tool integrates with TurboTax, allowing you to easily import your tax reports. There's also H&R Block. So Gemini's tax reporting tool easily integrates with H&R Block, allowing you to, of course, easily import your tax report there. And other tax softwares, Gemini's tax reporting tool can be used with other tax softwares. That could be Tax Act or Credit Karma Tax. Yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Gemini's tax reporting tool. Hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.